This arbitrage strategy I'm about to explain to you today is one of my best evergreen arbitrage I've ever come across with, and I've been using this arbitrage strategy for years. So right on this update, I will reveal to you how I use this arbitrage, and I'll be guiding you step-by-step guide on how you as well can do this. This arbitrage is very simple. It is a P2P arbitrage. Like this update I'm about showing you right on this update, I bought at 1,345 naira and I was able to sell it at around 1,365 to around 1,380 naira. You can be doing this multiple times in a day. Like this one I showed you on this video, it took me less than, let's say, around 12 to 13 hours for me to buy low and sell high, and I took my profit and I repeated the same method. So you can be doing this multiple times in a day without any stress. So if I come in across this channel for the very first time, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I have another video like this. So guys, without any further ado, let's dive straight right onto today's tutorial. As at the time I was recording this video, this is the price of Bybit P2P. That is what you can see right here. 1,361, 1,361.20 is ranging within 1,360 and 1,361. That is what you can see right here. And I'm sure by the time you are watching this video, possibly the price must have increased. So these are some of my transactions I did on the Bybit P2P. And the last one I did that lasted within 24 hours, right? That is the one in the very top right here. That is the one you can see completed, that I did 672,745 naira. And when you check it right here, the rate was at 1,345.49 naira, and I bought 500 USDT quantity of USDT. That is what you can see right here. So I want you to put your eye and your mind on this particular price. It is very, very important for this update. This is where you will see the true arbitrage right on this Bybit P2P exchange. Okay, so this 500 USDT was giving me 672.745 naira. So this is where you will know if I'm in a profit or not. Okay, so stick around as we proceed. The next thing we should talk about right now is for us to do some brief calculation so that we see how much profit I've made for myself, and from there I will also show you how you as well can follow this step-by-step guide I'm giving you on this video for you to start this P2P arbitrage. So right now I want to check how much is 500 USDT in naira right now to know the exact profit I made from the last transaction I did. So from what you can see right here, 500 USDT is going to be giving me 680,665 naira as at the time I was shooting this video. By the time you are seeing this video, the price must have increased. So this is whooping 8,000 profit that I made from this particular round of arbitrage within 24 hours. This is it right here. If you want to understand the proper calculation, 672,745 naira, that was the price I bought, and right now I'm now selling at 680,000 plus naira. That is whooping 8,000 profits just from one round of this arbitrage. So right now I will proceed and I will show you how you as well can start this arbitrage in a very simple step. To get started, the first thing you have to do is for you to make sure you have a verified Bybit account. Once that is done, come to this area that says assets. Once you are here on the assets, the next thing you are going to do from here, you have to come to this area that says convert. Okay, come to your assets, click on convert. Once you click on convert, it's going to load up, and once you are here, you have to be converting any of the coin you have to USDT. For example, if it's BTC you have to convert your BTC to USDT. If it's Ethereum, convert your Ethereum to USDT. So that is the logic. So for example, let's say I have this Somnia coin right here. I'm going to be converting it to USDT. The Somnia coin is going to be up while the USDT is going to be down. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing from here, I will click on this area that says quotes. Once you click on the quote and you are fine with the exchange rate, right, the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, that means you have successfully converted your Somnia or your BTC to USDT. So once that is done, the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to go to the P2P exchange. The next thing you are going to be doing is very easy. Right on this P2P, you are going to be purchasing your USDT using Naira. But before that, you need to do some settings. Come to this area that says all payment method. Right on this all payment method, just make sure you select bank transfer, right? Select bank transfer. Once you select bank transfer, the next thing you have to filter the amount you want to be purchasing. Come to this area that says amount, right? Come to this area that says amount, okay? So before you come to this area that says amount, just click on this filter. On this filter, make sure you select this show only eligible ads. Just do the setting according to what you can see right here on my screen. Once you are done, click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, then let's come to this amount right here. On this amount filter, it's going to save your time. Instead of you scrolling and be searching for different merchants with different amounts, just type in the amount of Naira worth of USDT you want to be buying. For an example, I type in 500,000 right here, right? So because I type in 500 right here, anyone I'm going to be seeing right here is going to be within 500,000. Okay, that is what you can see right here. In your own case, if you are buying, let's say 100,000, you can type in 100,000. If it's 200,000, if it's 50,000, if it's 20,000, just type it here in the amount filter. It's really going to save your time. Okay, so once you are done with that, decide on any of the merchants you want to buy from, and once you find anyone that pleases you, you can purchase from them and you keep your assets. So what do we do after here? After now, what you are going to be doing is very easy. You are the one that is going to determine how much profit you want to be making right on this P2P exchange, right on this P2P arbitrage. You are the one that will decide and determine how much profit you want to be making. In my own case, I do not get greedy on updates like this. I say once I see I'm in a profit from like 20 naira, 50 naira, and at times you can even be lucky and be getting as high as $100 profit from each USDT you purchase from this particular arbitrage strategy. If you want to be making even much more profit from this arbitrage, when you become merchant on Bybit P2P, then you can even make much more profit for yourself. So guys, if this video has made sense to you in one way or the other, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and remember, you can join my social media platform. Over there, you can decide to get my P2P full course. On that P2P full course, you can learn everything about P2P trading, how to become a verified merchant, and how to even earn much more passive income right on P2P. I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.